If you're looking to turn off notifications on Public 2026, follow these simple steps to manage your notification settings effectively. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the Public 2026 app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or a gear icon in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find notification settings. In the settings menu, look for the notifications option. This section will allow you to manage all notification preferences. Step 4. Adjust notification preferences. Once in the notifications section, you will see various types of notifications listed. Toggle off the notifications you no longer wish to receive. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your preferences, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the screen to confirm your new settings. By following these steps, you can easily turn off notifications on Public 2026 and enjoy a more focused experience.